All right, welcome to the Physics 07 Capacitor Lab. Right here we have our voltage box. We have it set to 17.1 volts and 0 amps. Right here we have our voltage reader. Right now it's currently reading 0 volts from these two probes. Right here we have our capacitor that is running to our voltage box. And so we're going to go ahead and observe the decay of electricity flowing between the two plates once we remove it from the circuit. So to start, we're going to just make sure that our voltage reader is working and it's reading the table at 0 volts, so we're good to go. We're going to put it onto our capacitor, and if you look at our voltage meter, it is reading around 17 volts. So now we'll go ahead and remove it from the circuit, and we observe a steep decay in volts, bringing it down to around 0 volts in total. So what is actually happening here is the circuit is being completed by these two. The voltage is coming from one plate into another and then looping back into the voltage box, completing the circuit. However, once we remove it from the voltage box, we observe the decay or the escape of the electricity out into the environment, that being the air, the table, everywhere else around the capacitor itself. And yeah, the further we get away from the two plates, get away from each other, the faster it'll escape into the environment because there's more space in between. Although in our circumstance, the two plates, no matter at what distance we put them, it always tends to move faster than our voltage meter will read, and we get pretty much a steep decline from 17 to 0. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.